Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can open the Spirit Hollow barrier in Abyss Roblox. So the Spirit Hollow barrier has been blocking Explorer for a while, and in here I'm going to show you exactly how you can drop the barrier. So before you can open the barrier, you need to first talk to the NPC in front of the barrier. This is the NPC Isidel, and after that you can just interact with her. So in here you need to complete 3 quests. So I've already on the quest number 3 actually, this one. So in Isidel's quest you need to catch some fish and also some mutated fish like fairy, spirit, and also you need to bring rocky moss, also crack rooted geodes. And after you complete all those 3 quests, you just need to go back to Isidel's and go to click on I've completed your quest, and you can just wait. So now the last tree has awakens, and let's see if it's open the barrier. So we cannot skip this short clip. Let's just wait until the barrier is open. Okay, so here is the Spirit Root Hollow barrier, and now it's open. So let's see what's inside. Let's walk through the barrier in here, and this is what inside the barrier. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.